I could live in my head, writing up a script of words that were never said, things that never happened to me. But there are plenty more fish in the sea. I could go for a walk, pretend the sunshine on my skin could silence my thoughts and longings for what could be. But that doesn't come so easily. I could drive myself mad, endlessly reliving moments we never had, painting brighter memories that can't match up to what's real. So I hold on to the past, hope that this won't last. I could live in my head, writing up the scripts of words that were never said, things that never happened to me. But there are plenty more fish in the sea. Plenty more fish in the sea.
I've been trying to do it right. I've been living a lonely life. I've been sleeping here instead. I've been sleeping in my bed. Sleeping in my bed. So show me family, all the blood that I will bleed. I don't know where I belong. I don't know where I went wrong, but I can write a song. I belong, you belong to my sweetheart. I belong, you belong to my sweetheart.